Hey friends, it's Dr. Chan here. So my son woke up this morning with a cough. My wife dropped by CVS, found this Abbott home antigen testing kit, and so we're just gonna check him real quick and see if he's negative. I'm gonna show you how to use this thing and talk a little bit about how accurate is this and who is sort of the ideal person to kind of check this for.
Each home COVID test kit comes with a swab, a test card, and then a dropper bottle. Here's the test card. With the dropper bottle, you want to put in 6 drops in the top reagent well. And then with the swab, you want to do an anterior nasal swab, 15 seconds on each side.
Turn swab to right to mix it.
There's blood.
No, that's a booger.
Put it in. And then check. A positive is if there's 2 lines. How well does it work? For positive specimens, it correctly identifies it 84.6% of the time. And then for negative specimens, 98.5%. How much did these test kits cost? When my wife picked up at CVS in store, it came out to about $12 a test kit. Who is the ideal candidate for doing a home COVID test? It's especially if they have symptoms. If you're really concerned, you should definitely go ahead and get the formal PCR test, as the sensitivity for picking up a positive COVID is a lot better with the PCR test.